Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to set up a PayPal account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To set up a PayPal account, the first thing you'll need to do is to click open a web browser. Setting up a PayPal account is simple. Simply go ahead and type in the URL www.paypal.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of PayPal. In order to create a new account on PayPal, you'll need to go and click on the sign up button at the upper right corner. Select your country or your region from the drop down and click on Get Started. Type in your mobile number on the next page and click on Next. Confirm your phone number by entering the code that has been sent to your mobile number in the text boxes. After you're done, you'll be taken to your next page. Here, you can go ahead and set up your profile by entering your informations. Enter an email address in the text box. Now, enter your first name on the next text field. Type in the middle name if available, and then type in your last name on the next. Create a password for your account that you would like to use for your PayPal. Make sure to type in the correct one and retype in your password in the next text box to confirm that you're typing in the right password. Now, after both of the passwords match, you'll be able to see a green tick mark on the either side of the boxes and click Next. Add your address information on the next page. Choose your nationality, type in your address line, and you can also type in the other address line into the address line 2 text box if available. After you're done, enter your date of birth. The rest of the boxes will be filled in itself. Type in your date of birth and click on this box at the bottom to agree to the terms and services of PayPal. You can also choose to activate One Touch by clicking on this box right here. After you're done, click on Agree and Create Account, and your account will be created. Now you can shop with PayPal, send payments to your friends or families, and much more. Click on one of the options and link a card to send money on PayPal. Enter your credit card number, select your credit card type from the drop down, type in your expiration date, enter the security code at the back of your card, and click on Link Card at the bottom. After you do that, this will link your PayPal account to a bank account you can deposit or withdraw money from. You can now go ahead and upload a picture of your own by clicking on Add a Photo. Click on Update Photo from your account section. Choose a photo from your gallery by clicking on Add a Photo, and click on Use this photo to confirm your picture. From the same page, go to the email address section and click on Confirm right next to your email. Click Confirm this email one more time, and you'll need to go check your email to confirm and verify PayPal with your email address. Click Open the email and click on the link that has been sent with your email. Type in your password one more time and click on Confirm email address. And with this, you have successfully set up a PayPal account and you are good to go. In order to log into PayPal, go to your web browser, click it open, and type in paypal.com. Hit the enter on your keyboard, and soon after you reach to the official website of PayPal, which looks like this, click on the login button at the upper right corner. Enter your email or your mobile number in the text field. Click on the next button after you're done, and on the next page, enter your password correct. If you want to double check your password, then click on the Show button at the right corner. Doing so will reveal your password so that you can have a proper look before you sign in to your account. If you are having trouble remembering your password and are stuck in the sign-in process, click on Having Trouble Logging In and follow the instructions to reset your password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up and Register first. Click on the Login button after you're done entering your password, and with this click, you'll be able to log into PayPal account in no time. Click Open a web browser first. Once you do that, in the URL box, type in www.paypal.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of PayPal. Now, in order to log in, go and click on the Login button at the upper right. In the sign-in page, enter your credentials and log into your account like you normally do. Start by entering your email or your mobile number in the first text field. On the next row, when asked to enter your password, go and click on Forgot Password right below the Login button. Now, you'll need to enter the email you use for PayPal in the text field and click on the Next button. If you don't remember your email as well, you can click on Forgot Your Email link and follow the instructions. Hit the Next button in order to move on, Now, in order to confirm that it is you who is trying to reset the password for this account, you'll receive a text message on this mobile number you see. To receive the text message, click on the next button. Type in the code that you received via text message into the security code box. In case you didn't receive the code, click on the resend link at the right corner. Click on continue after you're done. Now, on the next page, you can create a password for your PayPal account. Choose a password that's hard to guess and unique to this account. Now, in the first text field, type in the password you want to reset to. Confirm the password by retyping it again in the next text field. Make sure both the passwords match. Once it does, you'll see this kind of a tick mark in green at the right corner. If you want to log out of all the devices that might have been signed into your PayPal account, make sure that this box is checked. But if you don't want to do that, you can uncheck this box. For your security, I would suggest to keep this box checked. Now, click on the Save button. Luckily, if you happen to remember your password during this process, then you can easily go and click on Return to PayPal login and you can sign into your account just like that. If you're sure you want to reset your password, then click on Save, give it a few seconds and you are done. You've successfully reset your password and recovered your account. That is how it is done. Click open any web browser you want, and once you do that, in the URL box, type in www.paypal.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Now, as soon as you reach to the official website of PayPal, if you don't have an account yet, you can simply click on Sign Up for Free button in blue and register yourself to a new account first. If you already have an account, then you can just go and click on the Login button at the upper right and you'll be taken to the sign-in page where you'll need to enter your correct credentials in order to log in. Log into your account like you normally do, and once you're in order to change your password, you will need to go to the gear icon at the upper right. Give it a click, and from this page, click on Security from the upper toolbar. You can see that there's a password option at the very first of the screen. Simply click on Update link at the right corner and confirm your current password first in order to change your password. In the first text field, enter the current password for your PayPal account. Now, in the next text field where it says New Password, enter your new password. To keep your account secure, do not include your name in the password. If you want to double check your password, then click on this eye icon which will reveal the password so that you can make sure that it is typed in correct. Confirm the new password by typing it one more time, and after you're done, click on Change Password. After you do that, your new password will be updated. You've successfully changed your password for your PayPal account. Now you'll need to enter your password one more time and log into your account again. Enter your new password in the password text field. You can double check your password by clicking on this show button right here, and after you're done, click on the login button, give it a few seconds, and there you go. That is how you can change your PayPal account's password. Start by clicking open a web browser and log to your PayPal account. Once you log into your PayPal account, from the home screen of PayPal, click on the Request button at the top right. Now, enter the sender's email in the text box, or you can also type their name or mobile number. Once you type in the email, click on Next. Now, on the next page, enter the amount you'd like to receive and then select the currency right below by clicking on this drop-down. Once you're done with it, if you'd like to add someone else as well, you can click on this link right here and add more people to the list. If you want, you can add a note at the bottom of the screen. You can mention the purpose of your request in the note. Finally, after everything's set, click on Request Now and you'll be able to request money on PayPal to one of your contacts. Now all you need to do is wait for the person to send you money according to your request. Click open a web browser first and go to the search box at the top and type in paypal.com and search. Make sure you're logged into your account. Go and click on the login button at the top right and enter your login credentials in order to log into your PayPal account. Once you enter your credentials, click Login and you'll be logged into your account in no time. Now, go to the PayPal Wallet tab at the top of the screen and click it on. Link a debit or a credit card by clicking on this link right here that says Link a Card. On the next page, you'll need to enter your credit card number in the first text field. Once you type in your credit card number, your card type will be automatically selected. Type in the expiration date for your card and then type in your security code on the next. Now, click on Link Card and you'll be able to link your payment information on PayPal. On the next page, you'll need to enter your gift card information, and that way you'll be able to use and redeem PayPal gift card quick and easy. Now let's begin. Before you close your account, make sure to withdraw any money you have in your PayPal account. You can't close your account on PayPal if there are any limitations, unresolved issues, or a balance on your account. Start by clicking open a web browser and in the URL box type in www.paypal.com and search. Log into your PayPal account if necessary by clicking on the login button at the upper right corner. Now enter your credentials that are required in the login area and click on Login to log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, from your home page of PayPal, go and click on the gear icon in the upper right corner, right next to the Logout button. From your profile page, at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see a link that says Close your account. Click it on, and on the next page, confirm that you'd like to close your account. Click on the button that says Close account, and now your account has been closed. You have been redirected back to the home screen of PayPal. In the future, if you'd like to use PayPal again, you won't be able to recover your previous account that you just deleted, but instead, you'll need to go ahead and sign up for a new account by clicking on the sign up button. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.